Hey everyone! Did you know that honey is more than just a sweet treat? It's packed with health benefits. Honey comprises 60% fructose and glucose, giving you a natural energy boost. That means no sugar crash later. Unlike processed sugar, honey is 100% natural and free of additives. It's the purest way to sweeten your day. It's also packed with antioxidants. Applying it to your skin can help reduce acne and keep you glowing. From bee to jar, honey is an incredible gift from nature. It's rich in nutrients, and every spoonful supports a healthy lifestyle. So why not switch to honey for your daily energy boost? Sweet, healthy, and 100% natural. What's not to love? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more amazing health tips. See you next time.